Hello and welcome to Phonics Reading YouTube channel. In today's video, we will look at I magic keywords. In our previous videos, we have already learned magic E makes short vowel sound long. Like I, d. Rid. I is a short vowel sound. I, d. Ride. I is a long vowel sound. Letter I and E together are making long I sound. P, n, pin. I, n, pine. I, p, rip. I, p, ripe. I, d. Hid. I, d. Hide. P, pip. I, pipe. It, kit. I, t, kite. B, it, bit. B, I, t, bite. I, n, fin. I, n, fine. Now, can you read the next few words on your own? Let's try. B, I, k, bike. Br, I, d, bride. Dr, I, v, drive. I, l, file. I, n, fine. I, v, five. N, I, n, nine. T, I, time. L, I, n, line. M, I, n, mine. Sh, I, n, shine. Sl, I, d, slide. Practice reading and writing these words again and again. Can you find more I magic words? There are many. Take a storybook or a newspaper and look for more I magic words. Make a list of them. Thanks for watching. See you soon.